Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Show you some of the cool things you can do with Streamlit. I am already logged in, and I found this emoji kitchen, and I forked the code through my GitHub account, and I then took the original Streamlit code, looked it over. It's all very interesting, but I don't need a lot of it. So what I did though is I looked at the code and I noticed that there was some points here, which are a bunch of JSON. I didn't investigate this duds.json. It's another project outside of the scope of this video, but there's quite a few there. What did I create? Using Claude.ai, I passed the code and the requirements to Claude with a description of what I wanted using the JSON file and making sure that JSON is not in the Python script. Otherwise, Claude would have complained about too many data points, too much text. So I made sure to refer to it as points.json. And what it created for me is this application here. This is the original, close that. Here is the one that was created, 78 lines of code. And what does it do? When I ran the code using Streamlit run, Streamlit app, it generated a URL for me locally and externally, which is cool. And now I go to emoji display, and what have I done? I have effectively set a library of sorts tracking which emojis I've already used, and so that I will never see the same emoji twice. I set the limit to 11, or sorry, I set the limit to 10. Yeah, and so it's now only going to give me 10 or less emojis. So I hit enter to generate new emojis. And there they are. I've got 10 emojis. Now I'm out of curiosity. I'm not sure exactly what will happen if I try and copy paste these emojis. Test.text. What happens when I paste them? Okay, so these emojis are web friendly. I'm not quite sure how to get the specific code for it. Again, I'm using the interface for GitHub real-time code thing. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I'm trying to get the details for this particular object, but I'm not going to worry about it. What I want to show, though, is that within just a few minutes from concept to delivery, I was able to get an application running from Streamlit library. This is community stuff. I forked it, passed that forked data over to Claude with my instructions, and then using the power of GitHub code thing, whatever it's called, GitHub dev. I don't even remember what this thing is called anymore, but I was able to generate working code that is available to anybody who wants to look at it at these URLs. I will include this links to this code. Maybe if I can figure out how from the GitHub from the shared repository settings, run on save. Okay, I'm not sure how I can share this, but thanks for watching. And If this was interesting or useful for you, please click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.